Data governance is a framework to improve transparency and data quality, with lower data management costs and increased accessibility to trusted data for all stakeholders. Data governance helps an organization to make effective business decisions, while it also enables you to optimize your operations. And by creating new data-centric products and services. You can leverage trusted data to improve profitability and growth.
Metadata management. With metadata management, have control on your data. Leverage the power of machine learning to convert insights into action. Quickly locate and share accurate information. Data lineage. Data lineage helps to understand the relationship between different types of data. Create and validate data flows, generate the related reports, and search your target data point to identify upstream and downstream applications. Data quality. With data quality, define data as per the purpose. Automatically or manually create rules. Check the health of data, monitor the data landscape, and generate reports through. Data privacy. With data privacy, users can know their data is collected, stored, and shared through encryption and anonymization, generating DSAR report and monitoring private data detection. Governance workflow. With data governance, take ownership of the data, get access and protect your data. Define policies and standards to govern the data landscape and monitor the data, improving your decision-making collaboratively.
The data governance framework provides a comprehensive approach to capturing the value of data. Lack of or a poorly implemented data governance framework may hamper the ability to adhere to the government regulatory compliance policies such as HIPAA, GDPR, and CCPA. An organized approach to implementation of a data governance framework enables your company to leverage consistent, trusted data, so data can be used properly and efficiently.